In this time of COVID-19 pandemic, education in the Philippines undeniably faces challenges. However, with the adoption of the Basic Education Learning Continuity Plan, modular distance learning was implemented in Pavia National High School in the province of Iloilo. To support the modular distance learning of the school, three of its teachers, Dr. Alma Hanagap, Mr. Cheno Pulian, and Mrs. Maria Cristina Sendin had developed a program called Uplan Bulig Ginikanan. This innovation was derived in three words. Uplan means program, Bulig and Ginikanan are both Ilonggo words which mean helping or assisting parents. Thus, Uplan Bulig Ginikanan, a parent-assisted, home-based modular learning program, involved the parents as learning facilitators of their children in their journalism lessons and tasks and impacted the learners' performance in other subjects. The innovation was funded by DepEd's Basic Education Research Fund, so no amount of money came out to the teachers' parents' pocket during this program. Based on the anecdotal records of teachers, around 70% of the learners in school confided that their parents had not been showing interest in taking part on their actual learning process because of their busy schedule, finding means of living here and abroad, or doing household chores.
Records in our office show that lack of parental support and guidance is one of the main factors why our students failed their academics. Likewise, we had recorded that the low percentage of parents' participation during parents and teachers' assemblies and meetings.
All these reasons moved the teachers to equip parents with the simple knowledge, skills, and enthusiasm and involve them in the modular learning scheme of their children at home. Uplan Bulig Ginikanan was conceptualized with these innovative ideas. The program is a home-based learning. Both the teachers' follow-up and parents' participation are highly indispensable for a successful educational journey of the learners. With the cooperation and support of the school, teachers, and other significant others in all aspects of the program, everything's possible in making a globally competent Filipino learners. The Uplan Bulig Ginikanan was implemented as an action research participated by 29 grade 8 special program in journalism students and their parents or guardians. To achieve the objectives of Uplan Bulig Ginikanan, the following phases were done. Here are the results and impact of Uplan Bulig Ginikanan to students' learning performance. Periodic progress of the learners in their journalism performance registered high competency level. In the overall journalism post-test result, learners obtained a mean score of 40 out of the 50 items, equivalent to 80% as classified as high competency. With 29 learners who immersed on this program, 6 of them received a general weighted average of 95 to 97, and 23 of them got a weighted average of 90 to 94 at the end of the school year 2020-2021.
With this program, the Uplan Bulig Ginikanan helped me realize my responsibilities as a parent. Through its webinar consistent reminders and checklists from teachers, I and my child able to submit her task. Even it is challenging in our part to become teacher at home, but it is overwhelming to see that my child is enjoying learning. We also develop better relationship at home.